Guys, Kia here. Welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, I'm going to be showing you all how to create your own sugar scrub from the ingredients already in your kitchen cabinet. As far as ingredients go, please be sure to tweak these ingredients so that they go correctly with your skin type. So I'm going to start off with the sugar base. I'm using organic sugar, white sugar, and brown sugar. I use sugar versus salt because sugar is hydrating where salt is drying. So if your skin is oily, use salt. I'm going to add coconut oil, olive oil, and honey for moisturization, and then I'm going to add lemon for blemish control. So I'm just starting off by adding 1/4 of all the sugars. Eventually, there's going to be a half a cup of each sugar, but I'm just starting off this way so that it's easier to mix. Adding my oils next, my honey. I'm going to cut this lemon and juice it. We need all of the juices. Lemon juice is a natural bleach, so it's going to lighten any blemishes that may be on our skin, on our legs, arms. Just going to squeeze all this juice. And you can take the seeds out. Now I'm just adding in my coconut oil tip. I'm using 1/4 a cup for all the oils, no more. If you put too much oil, it'll dilute the sugar and then the scrub won't be as effective. So now just whip the bowl, stir it up, whatever you need to do, and add in your extra 4 cups of sugar. And after all that whipping and stirring, your scrub will be complete. To seal the deal, just close it with the airtight lid. Some people use glass mason jars, but I'm going to put this in the shower, so I'm going to use a plastic airtight container that includes a lid. What exactly is a scrub, you ask? Well, sugar scrubs, typically people use them as a face scrub, but I like to use them on my body as well. But they're formulated with sugar, and this is used to help physically exfoliate the dead skin cell buildup. Exfoliating with a sugar scrub can help create the appearance of smoother, glowing, youthful skin. I like to limit my sugar scrubs to maybe like 2 to 3 times a week. Make sure that you're rubbing your sugar scrub onto your skin in a circular motion. It's most effective and it helps to free your ingrown hairs. So that's great to do right before you shave, if you shave your legs, ladies. So you get all those ingrown hairs out of your bikini line, your legs, anywhere. Okay, demonstration time. Let's see if it works. So circular motion on the back of one of my hands, and boom. I know you see the difference. This hand looks, to the right, looks super hydrated. Left looks dull and dry. So make yourself a scrub from your homemade ingredients, and don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe to this video if you enjoyed it and you want more. Mwah.